Every single week, millions of people throw hundreds of dollars straight into the garbage, and they do it without even realizing it's happening. You walk into the grocery store for 5 things, you leave $60 lighter, and half of what you bought, wilted, wasted, and forgotten by Thursday. Sound familiar? Because here's the brutal truth. The grocery industry is designed to make you spend more than you should. The layouts, the lighting, the end cap displays, the buy two, get one deals on items you never needed in the first place. But there is a short, specific list of foods that breaks the entire system. Foods that cost almost nothing. Foods that feed you better than the branded stuff. Foods that last longer, stretch further, and work harder in your kitchen than anything in that glossy packaging. 20 items. That is the entire list. And by the time this video is over, your next grocery run will look completely different, and your wallet will feel it. Before we get into the list, here is what I need you to stay for. Because number 14 on this list is the one that genuinely surprises people. It is so cheap, so powerful, and so completely overlooked that most households have never bought it once. We are also going to talk about the one mistake almost every budget shopper makes in the produce section. The mistake that costs you more money than any impulse buy ever could. Stay till the end. The full list, the tips, the strategy. It is all here. Let us get into it. The 20 budget groceries. 1. Eggs. Let us start with the single most complete protein source you can buy for under $2 a serving. Eggs do not care about food trends. They were the budget staple of the 1950s, the 1990s, and they are still the budget staple of right now. A dozen eggs can anchor breakfast for an entire week. Scrambled, boiled, fried, baked into a frittata, folded into fried rice. Eggs adapt to everything. And here is the thing most people miss. 2-egg meal delivers 14 grams of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins for roughly 30 cents. Nothing on a restaurant menu at that price point comes close. Never skip eggs. 2. White rice. Buy the big bag, the 5-pound bag, the 10-pound bag if you have the storage space. White rice costs somewhere between 40 and 60 cents per serving, depending on the brand and the store. And it pairs with literally everything. It is the backbone of budget eating in every food culture on Earth. And that is not a coincidence. It is calorie-dense, shelf-stable for months, and takes on whatever flavor you cook it in. Broth instead of water. A bay leaf. Garlic. Suddenly plain rice becomes something people ask for seconds of. If there is one item on this entire list that you should never run out of, it is rice. 3. Dried lentils. This one surprises people every single time. Dried lentils cost under $2 a pound, and that 1 pound produces roughly 10 servings. Do that. Math. It is 20 cents per serving of food that is loaded with protein, fiber, and iron. And unlike dried beans, lentils do not require an overnight soak. They cook in about 20 minutes. Red lentils break down into a creamy, thick soup base. Green and brown lentils hold their shape for curries and salads. Lentils absorb flavor aggressively. Cumin, turmeric, garlic, tomato. They take all of it and make it taste intentional. This is one of the most underrated items in the entire store. 4. Frozen broccoli. Here is the produce section mistake we mentioned at the top. Buying fresh vegetables you will not realistically eat in time. Fresh broccoli has a 4 to 5 day window before it starts going yellow and soft. Frozen broccoli has a window of 12 months. And here's the part that genuinely surprises people. Frozen broccoli is nutritionally nearly identical to fresh. It is flash frozen at peak ripeness, which actually locks in more nutrients than fresh produce that spent a week in a truck before hitting the shelf. Buy frozen vegetables. Stop buying fresh ones you throw away. That single shift alone will cut your grocery waste dramatically. 5. Onions. A 3-pound bag of yellow onions costs around $2. That bag can last 3 to 4 weeks in a cool, dark spot. And those onions are going to start almost every savory meal you cook. Onions build the flavor foundation of soups, stews, sauces, stir-fries, curries, and roasted dishes. They caramelize into something sweet and complex. They can be pickled quickly to top tacos and sandwiches. They are irreplaceable. If you are skipping onions to save money, you are making your food worse for almost no actual savings. Always have onions. 6. Garlic. Same logic as onions, but even more concentrated. A whole head of garlic costs less than $1 and provides 8 to 12 cloves, each of which can transform a dish. Buy bulbs. Not the pre-minced jar. The jarred garlic has a noticeably blunter flavor. Fresh garlic, minced or sliced into a hot pan with olive oil, releases something aromatic that makes cheap ingredients taste expensive. Garlic is one of those ingredients where the return on the investment is completely disproportionate. A 50-cent bulb improves $20 worth of other groceries. 7. Canned chickpeas. Protein, fiber, versatility. Canned chickpeas are ready the moment you open the can. No cooking, no soaking, no prep. Drain them, rinse them, and they are ready for a salad, a curry, a soup, or a roasting sheet. Roasted chickpeas with olive oil and spices make a snack that is genuinely satisfying in a way that chips are not, because the protein content actually signals fullness to your body. One can serve 2 people as a protein component, costs under $1, and stores in your pantry for years. This should be a pantry staple in every home. 8. Bananas. The cheapest fruit in almost every grocery store, almost always. High in potassium, naturally. Sweet, portable, and genuinely filling due to their fiber and resistant starch content. But here's the tip that saves people money every single week. When bananas go too ripe to eat fresh, do not throw them away. Peel them. Freeze them in a bag. Use them in smoothies for a thick, sweet, creamy base that replaces yogurt or ice cream, or bake them into banana bread. Frozen ripe bananas eliminate food waste entirely on this item. Nothing in the fruit section gives you this combination of price, nutrition, and zero waste potential. 9. Whole milk. Milk delivers protein, fat, calcium, and calories in a single affordable carton. It goes into coffee, oatmeal, sauces, baked goods, smoothies, and scrambled eggs. Buy whole fat. Not because low-fat milk is wrong, but because the fat content in whole milk slows digestion and keeps you fuller longer. That translates to fewer calories consumed later in the day, which actually saves you money on snacks and extra meals. Milk is one of those background groceries that quietly does enormous work in your weekly cooking. Never skip it to save 50 cents. 10. Peanut butter. A standard jar of peanut butter costs around $3 and contains roughly 15 servings. That is 20 cents per serving of a food that delivers protein, healthy fats, and genuine satiety in every spoonful. Peanut butter on whole wheat toast is a legitimate, nutritionally complete snack. It is also a sauce base for noodles, a smoothie ingredient, a dip for apple slices, and a baking staple. The utility per dollar spent here is extraordinary. Always keep at least 1 jar in the pantry. It is one of the most versatile budget foods in existence. 11. Rolled oats. Breakfast for under 15 cents a serving. That is not an exaggeration. A standard canister of rolled oats costs around $4 and contains around 30 servings. Oats stabilize blood sugar, provide slow-burning energy, and keep you full for hours due to their beta-glucan fiber. Content: add a banana, a spoonful of peanut butter, and a splash of milk. You have just built a genuinely excellent filling breakfast for about 50 cents. This is the item that completely replaces boxed cereal, which costs 5 times more per serving and provides a fraction of the nutritional value. 12. Canned tomatoes. The base of 100 different meals. Pasta sauces, shakshuka, chili, soup, braised meats, rice dishes. Canned tomatoes anchor all of it. A can of crushed or whole peeled tomatoes costs under $1 and has the flavor depth of tomatoes cooked at peak ripeness. In many cases, canned tomatoes are actually more flavorful than fresh out-of-season tomatoes, which are often mealy and bland. Stock 10 cans right now. They last for years, and you will reach for them constantly. This is one of the most reliable building blocks of cheap, delicious cooking. 13. Canned tuna. High protein, zero prep, extremely shelf-stable, and deeply underrated. A can of tuna costs around $1 and delivers 22 grams of protein per serving. Tuna on crackers is a meal. Tuna stirred into pasta with olive oil, garlic, and capers is a meal that costs under $3 total and takes 10 minutes. Tuna in a salad adds protein that actually fills you up in a way that vegetable-only salads typically do not. Most households stock canned tuna inconsistently, buying it when they think of it and running out. Make it a permanent pantry item. Always have 4 to 6 cans available. 14. Dried black beans. The one that surprises everyone. Here it is, the item we promised at the start. Dried black beans, not canned. Dried. A 1-pound bag costs around $1.50 and produces approximately 12 servings. That is 12 cents per serving of food that is high in protein, high in fiber, and extremely filling. The reason people avoid dried beans is the soaking time, and that is completely understandable. But here is the workaround. Soak a whole bag overnight on Sunday. Cook a big batch, divide into portions, and freeze them. You now have cooked black beans available for weeks at the same convenience as canned at 1/3 the price. Black beans and rice together form a complete protein, every essential amino acid your body needs, from 2 of the cheapest ingredients in the store. This combination has fed populations for centuries. It belongs in your weekly rotation. 15. Cabbage. 1 head of green cabbage costs around $1 and weighs 2 to 3 pounds. It lasts in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks without wilting or going bad. It is extraordinarily versatile. Shredded raw into coleslaw, stir-fried with garlic and soy sauce, braised in broth until soft and sweet, stuffed with ground meat, added to soups for texture and bulk. Cabbage does everything and asks for almost nothing in return. This is the vegetable that budget-conscious cooks in every culture in the world have relied on for generations. Because it delivers volume, nutrition, and flavor at a price that nothing else in the produce section can match. 16. Carrots. A 2-pound bag of carrots costs around $1.50. They last in the refrigerator for weeks. Raw, they are a snack. Roasted, they caramelize into something sweet and tender. Diced into soups and stews, they add body and natural sweetness. Carrots are one of the most calorie-efficient vegetables you can buy. High in beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamins. And sturdy enough to survive being forgotten in the back of the crisper drawer for longer than almost any other vegetable. If you are building a budget grocery list and you are not including a bag of carrots, you are leaving value on the table every single week. 17. Sweet potatoes, complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin A, beta-carotene, and a natural sweetness that makes them one of the most satisfying vegetables to eat without adding anything extra. Sweet potatoes cost around $1 per pound. They last weeks, in a cool, dark spot outside the refrigerator. Baked whole in the oven, they become a filling, nutritious meal on their own. Diced and roasted, they go into grain bowls, salads, and side dishes. This is the vegetable equivalent of the eggs on this list. Extraordinarily versatile, extremely cheap, and more nutritious per dollar than almost anything else in the store. 18. Plain Greek yogurt. Buy the large plain container, not the individual flavored cups. A 32-ounce container of plain Greek yogurt costs around $5 to $6 and provides 8 to 10 servings at roughly 20 grams of protein each. Plain Greek yogurt serves as a sour cream substitute, a base for sauces and dressings, a smoothie ingredient, and a breakfast topped with banana and a drizzle of honey. The flavored individual cups cost 3 times as much per serving and deliver a fraction of the protein. This is one of the best protein per dollar items in the entire refrigerated section. 19. Dried pasta. A 1-pound box of pasta costs around $1 and feeds 4 people as a side or 2 to 3 as a main. It is shelf-stable for years, it cooks in 10 minutes, and it is one of the most universally loved foods on the planet for a reason. The mistake people make with pasta is buying expensive sauce to go with it. Canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of chili flakes make a pasta sauce that costs under $2 and tastes better than most jarred options. Pasta plus pantry basics equals meals that take 15 minutes and cost under $3 per person. Keep multiple boxes in stock. 20. Whole wheat bread. A good loaf of whole wheat bread costs around $3 to $4 and provides 12 to 14 slices. That is a foundation for breakfasts, lunches, and snacks throughout the week. Whole wheat specifically, not white bread, because the fiber content slows digestion, keeps you full longer, and prevents the blood sugar spike and crash cycle that sends people back to the kitchen for more food an hour after eating. Toast with peanut butter. A sandwich with canned tuna, slices alongside a bowl of lentil soup. Whole wheat bread is the connective tissue that holds a budget meal plan together. The strategy that ties it all together. Now you have the list, but here's the part that actually changes your grocery spending. Because having the list is one thing, knowing how to use it is another. The biggest mistake budget shoppers make is not the items they buy. It is the frequency with which they shop. Every additional trip to the grocery store costs you money. Studies consistently show that the average unplanned grocery trip results in $17 to $25 of unplanned purchases every single time. So the strategy is this: shop once a week with a written list built around these 20 items and buy in quantities that last the full week. No midweek top-up trips. No running in for one thing and leaving with 8. The second mistake is ignoring store brands. Every item on this list, eggs, rice, oats, canned tomatoes, pasta, peanut butter, has a store brand version that costs 20 to 40% less than the name brand. The quality difference is negligible. The savings are real. And the third mistake is buying pre-cut, pre-washed, pre-portioned anything. The moment a grocery store processes a vegetable for you, the price doubles or triples. Buy whole. Cut it yourself. The extra 2 minutes of prep work is worth several dollars per item. These 3 shifts, less frequent shopping, store brands, and whole unprocessed items, can cut the average family's grocery bill by $100 to $150 per month without sacrificing quality or variety. 20 groceries. That is the entire list. Eggs, rice, lentils, frozen broccoli, onions, garlic, canned chickpeas, bananas, whole milk, peanut butter, rolled oats, canned tomatoes, canned tuna, dried black beans, cabbage, carrots, sweet potatoes, Greek yogurt, pasta, whole wheat bread. Everything else in the grocery store is optional. These 20 items are the foundation of cheap, nutritious, genuinely good food. The kind of food that fills you up, lasts the week, and does not send you scrambling for a snack an hour after dinner. The grocery industry profits from confusion, impulse, and habit. The antidote is a short list and the discipline to stick to it. You now have the list. If this video saved you money, hit like. Subscribe for more content that actually changes how you spend. New video every week.